Hi everyone, this is Ivan. So in this video we'll talk about the page object. So you can see that after going through that, finding the element IDs in here, and we will need to actually sometimes we'll need to call them again and again, and it makes things very brittle and difficult to maintain, especially if we need to change the ID. And one way to overcome it is to actually design the test as a page object. So as you can see the YouTube homepage, you can see that there are, for example, the YouTube itself, the navigation bar, the top navigation bar, and the bottom navigation bar, and the main content. So we can actually break it up into a few pieces in here. Yeah, we can break up into a few pieces in here. For example, like we can actually break this as a top navigation, create a class as a top navigation, and for this one as a main content, and this one as a navigation, bottom navigation itself. So example as in this case, which we did in the previous tutorial, as we can actually make this into one method. There's a search button for here to click in here, and then in here we can actually make this into as a the search itself in here. So there's a search page, we can create another class, and in here we can actually create a search result where we actually use it for searching the different results in here, different videos. So I've actually done the workout for this. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, alright. Okay, so I've actually done this as an example. You can see. Okay, this one is the different pages. Right, we have got the home page and the navigation and the search itself and the view. So especially it's useful when I actually call out, for example, the scenario 1 as mentioned, it becomes much easier. For example, if I want to actually do this test case for scenario 1, to actually search a video and to scroll down and to play the video and to pause the video and then play the video again. So in case of writing those individual elements and those calling different API, we can actually group them together. For example, in the page navigation, which is in here, I can actually call out the accounts, home, library, which is all in here. It's all readily available, these methods. Yeah. So anyone who use it can actually call it in here. The same goes for the search results, right? I click the text, search by text, and then after that, I will play, pause, and go to the next video, right? So, and this is actually useful, especially if you want to change the test steps, and the methods are already available in the page object model, and we do not need to write again. And in the event if we need to add new features, we just need to change on the POM itself, and that will have minimum impact on the test case itself. Okay, so let's see how we actually run this scenario 1. Okay, right. So EPM is running. So it's going by searching the text first. See this one, searching the text. Alright, it's search a dash, input it in, and then it's going to search for this one, automation and manual test case using Selenium, which it does. And after that, you do a pause and play. You see, you pause and play, and then you pause again and play the next video. I give you a 10 seconds just in case the advertisement came out. Okay, you see the pause, play, and click on to the next video. Okay, yeah, here it goes to the next video. And so that's the end of the test after it captures the screen capture, right? Okay, so in this case, instead of writing many lines, we actually just write a few lines down. It's because that all these are actually inside the POM itself, so it's very easy to maintain. It's make it much less brittle, and it's also extendable, easier extendable. Okay, so that's the end for this clip. Thank you very much.